Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw a straight line in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. First of all, use brush tool, then use pen tool. First of all, use brush tool. Right click on your mouse, click brush tool, size, press enter. Hold shift, click and drag it. Color, hold shift, click and drag it. Secondly, again create new layer. Click pen tool, right click on your mouse, click pen tool. Add to shape, no fill, outline, stroke color, red. Press enter. Again press enter, then click anywhere, hold shift. Okay. Increase the size. Okay. Now we can see this. Draw a straight line. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.